You must follow food TikTok. Knowing how to make food from a box is not good enough. Knowing how to order food online is not impressive. Come to food TikTok and I will show you how to cook such amazing food that your friends and family will be so impressed, and you'll always be showing off your amazing cooking skills.
In my family, we call it la pasta del pecote. It takes 5 minutes to make and it's mamma mia. The secret to make this pasta is to sizzle a lot of fresh oregano with olive oil and garlic. Now, add tomato paste, some boiling water and heavy cream and simmer for a couple of minutes. Finally, add your pasta in and always parmigiano to make it super sexy.
Part 790 of Cooking Carbonara until I impress an Italian person. Criticism welcome, so don't hold back. We're going to jump straight in there by toasting off your peppercorns before crushing them. Trim and dice your guanciale, not pancetta, then get it into a cold pan and cook on medium heat. Scoop it out but keep the fat in the pan. Boil up your pasta in salted water. Chuck 4 egg yolks into a bowl. There's a debate if you should use a whole egg or not, but it seems to be an internal issue, so I'm going to leave it to the Italians to sort out. Either way, add 50 grams of pecorino. Add your cooked pasta into the guanciale fat and add your pasta water in with your egg emulsion. Give it a whisk. Mix it all together once your pan has cooled slightly. If you need to thicken the sauce, add it back to the heat, but don't scramble those eggs.